Hey guys, I'm AeCiBy and welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Beyblades. So to draw them you need AeCiBy Paint X. You can download that from Play Store. When you open it, you'll see a window like this. Tap on the plus icon and import picture. You can import your template and tap on cancel. Then you can see you have imported your template. Then you can see here are some of the symmetry rulers. We're gonna reduce the symmetry. Now we can try drawing something. This is how the symmetry would work. Now there are different symmetry rulers which I am going to show you in this video. Now we'll redraw something using a different ruler. So we are gonna make a 3-bladed base. So we set that to 3. Yep. Now we can start drawing. So here is our blades done. We are going to try another ruler. So this time we are going to draw center. You could draw the center this way. That's how this ruler works. We are gonna draw the center horizontally, like how the new Saber Valkyrie and Belial is. Now to color it, we are gonna add one more layer like this and put it down beside the line art and click on that layer. Now we are gonna use the bucket tool. You can select color from here and just tap on it to fill the colors. Now there are some options in the settings, so we can undo by 2-finger tap, redo by 3-finger tap, and there's also quick eyedropper, so you could just hold it and it will pick the color like this. Now if you are not happy with the color scheme after base, you could go to filter option and go to hue, saturation and lightness, and you can experiment with several hues, see how it looks. You can also add text like this. If you want to rotate your canvas, this is how you rotate it. There are also certain rulers like circular rulers and straight rulers, which can help you draw some details. Now you just need to save your drawing after you're done with it, so click on save as transparent PNG, or you could also save photo from here. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you.